What's in the box?
Hi and welcome again to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy for my collection. And here's the latest delivery I received. As you can see, it's a pretty large box. So I got this item from the F1 Authentic store, which ironically is not the best source to get your authentic F1 memorabilia, but I mean, I couldn't let this one go by. And you can already more or less tell what it is whilst I'm removing all of the protective plastic here. And here you go, it's a display dome with the racing boots of Stoffel Vandoorne from his full-time debut season in F1 with Mclaren in 2017. And these are Alpine Stars shoes, and they are personalized for Stoffel with the Belgian flag detail on the lip. And on the sides of the shoes you also have this personal SV logo and the Johnny Walker logo as well. And on the heel on the other side this is race number 2. These boots are replicas as it said on the plaque, but they do show some signs of having been used. Maybe they did use it for a photo shoot or promotional days, I'm not really sure. But yeah, a very cool piece of memorabilia, I think. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it in the display. I still have to think how I want to display them nicely, but we'll see about that. Anyways, this was a quick unboxing video of these Stoffel Vandoorne replica boots. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.